Remi's on a mountain. No road, no town, no tower for 200 miles. 1 bar of signal? Try 0. Remi types, "Made it to the top," and hits send. And it sends. Hi, I'm Pip Nova, and that should not be possible. No cable up here, no tower. So where did that message just go? Here's the wild part. It raced around the whole planet, and over a long trip, it actually beat the internet running through glass cables under the ocean. I know. Stick with me. I'll prove it. Meet our hero, Byte, your text message. To reach Remi's friend, Byte has to leave Earth. So let's talk space internet, and why for years it was terrible. The old way parked satellites way out here, about 36,000 kilometers up. So high the satellite hangs over one spot, like it's painted on the sky. Sounds perfect, just 3 cover the whole planet. But here's the catch, the most important idea in this video. Nothing beats the speed of light. And going 36,000 kilometers up, then down again, even at light speed, takes about 0.6 of a second. Doesn't sound like much, but try having a conversation with it. Hi. Yeah, Pip rage quit. So the question that changes everything, if distance is the problem, why not move the satellite closer? So they did, way closer. The new satellites fly about 550 kilometers up, and dropping, roughly 60 times nearer. Suddenly the round trip isn't 0.6 of a second, it's more like 40 milliseconds. Snappy enough for calls and games. But, and the universe loves a but, down low, a satellite can't hover. It's screaming along at 27,000 kilometers an hour, so any one satellite is overhead about 5 minutes, then it's gone. One satellite is useless, so you need thousands. So they built thousands. Booster, do your thing. Today there are over 10,000 up there, the biggest swarm humans have ever launched, heading for 15,000 plus, already serving around 12 million people. Okay, Byte's ready to fly. But how do you aim at something moving that fast? Meet the dish. Looks like a flat tray, and here's the magic. 0 moving parts. Inside, around 1,200 tiny antennas steer the beam with pure timing, like a stadium wave that can point anywhere and snap to a new direction instantly. As one satellite races off, the dish hands Byte to the next about every 15 seconds. You never feel it. And it gets cooler. Remi didn't even have a dish. The newest satellites are basically a cell tower in space, so a normal phone can text straight to orbit. That's how Remi's message left the mountain. Honest catch, it's a thin straw, texts and emergencies, not movie night. But texts are exactly what save lives. Now Byte's in orbit, and Remi's friend is across an ocean. No cable out here. So the satellites talk to each other with lasers, infrared light, satellite to satellite, no ground needed. And remember my promise? Here's the payoff. Light travels almost 50% faster through empty space than through glass fiber. Plus, the space path runs nearly straight, while cables hug coastlines and detour for miles. So over long distances, Byte through space beats Byte through cable. Which raises a question. What's the regular internet even made of? Mostly this, hidden cables on the ocean floor carrying about 99% of the world's traffic. Today we built a sky road that outruns them. Bytes cross the ocean. Now it drops to a ground station, joins the regular internet, and lands. Buzz. The whole trip, mountain, space, ocean, back to a phone, happened in hundredths of a second. And the reply retraces every step right back to Remi. So here's why this matters. Right now, about 2.6 billion people are still offline, most living far from any cable. For the first time, connecting a remote village, a disaster zone, a ship at sea doesn't mean digging a trench. You just point at the sky. We've seen it in hurricanes, on ships, in war zones. But let's be honest, it isn't free or perfect. These satellites only live about 5 years, and 1 or 2 burn up every single day. Thousands of bright dots streak across astronomers' photos. And one company owning the world's connection? Real question, though rivals are launching now, which should push prices down. The sky is the new frontier, wired up right above your head as you watch. So next time you're somewhere with no towers, no cables, nothing, look up. Your message has a road now. I'm Pip Nova. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.